Success in the category of best API reference documentation and support means that a user is experiencing no obstacles when integrating, finding extras to speed up their work, learning how to find support if needed, and figuring out how to maintain an API integration. In this popular category, who are the finalists?
The 4 finalists of this category are Plaid, ABN AMRO, DevPortal, and RingCentral developers. The jury found RingCentral developers attractive for its visual design and extensive collection of sample code. The DevPortal was praised for cross-linking between conceptual and reference topics. Both RingCentral and Codat were able to manage the complexity of their content really well. ABN AMRO Developer Portal is a clear and well-structured portal with lots of examples. The integration between the reference and conceptual topics is seamless. Reference topics provide a good blend of marketing and technical content. The Plaid Developer Portal and documentation was clear and well-structured. Content is easy to quickly understand, in great part due to many code examples. The site performs smoothly with an interactive navigation model, contributing to a seamless experience of content delivery. And the winner is...
Suspense. Ta-dam!
The winner in the API reference documentation and support category is Plaid Developer Portal and documentation. Congratulations. Alexandra, can you come onto the stage?
This is here for sure. Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Congratulations.
Wow, yeah, it's an honor to win, especially in such a crowded category, and to see all of the great things that so many people are doing in this space, getting a lot of inspiration from all of the other finalists and winners today. Yeah, I want to thank the jury for taking all of the time to go through all of the many nominees. Thank you so much for doing all of that work. And yeah, I want to thank the DevPortal Awards in general for creating a place to celebrate this kind of work, which doesn't always get recognized. But yeah, on behalf of the Plaid developer relations and developer experience teams, I want to say thanks, because we put a ton of work into this, and it's really great to be recognized.
So congratulations. So can you tell us maybe a little bit more about the workflows that you were using for writing and uploading reference documentation and the supporting content around it?
Oh, sure, yeah. So we use a combination of OpenAPI, which we use for our reference documentation for the APIs, and then we publish that via NPM to our site, and then we use MDX, which is a combination of Markdown and React, to actually write the docs. We work with developers, PMs, support to review all of our content and get it edited so that we have a documentation that is comprehensive, often written by developers or PMs, but edited by us in DevRel to make sure that it covers everything and answers everyone's questions. So it's a real team effort. It's definitely not just the developer teams. It's really everybody at the company working on this.
So, and how do you manage the? I'm always super fascinated by like the authoring processes. Like how do you manage that collaboration? Because that's kind of like the holy grail, I think, right? Like getting everybody to collaborate. Especially when I'm hearing that you have React in there also, that means that it's already pretty technical, the experience for contributing.
Yeah, so actually, if you want to dig in more detail, we did an interview with your guys' podcast, I believe, where we go into this in a lot more depth. But the short version is that less technical contributors will often, tell us what they want over maybe like Google Docs or Jira or Slack, and then more technical contributors will work to actually put that into the site and publish it. So that we try to have a lot of different ways to reach our team, so that people who are willing to put in very different levels of effort can contribute. And then we also do have an engineer who is pretty much dedicated to the documentation platform and who works on things like the React components to make it all look great.
Very cool. So that's another call for people that are watching this and like now curious. Go and have a look at the recording that's available about. That's already available or not yet?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, okay.
It's from API the Docs podcast. One of the last slide, I think, is going to be linking to that. You can find interviews also with several nominees where we talk with technical writers and developer relations folks, sometimes product owners, asking really into the nitty-gritty of, okay, but how do you do that and why?
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank you, Alex.